Crankshaft Position Sensor Test with Multimeter. Here's a simple, clear guide to test a crankshaft position sensor, CKP, using a multimeter. There are two common types of CKP sensors. 1. Magnetic, 2-wire, produces AC voltage. 2. Hall effect, 3-wire, needs power supply. Follow the steps based on your sensor type. 1. Identify the sensor type. Magnetic CKP, 2 wires. A. Usually no power supply. B. Resistance can be measured. C. Generates its own AC voltage when cranking. Hall effect CKP, 3 wires. A. Has power, ground, and signal wires. B. Cannot test resistance of the sensor element. C. Must check voltage supply and signal output. 2. Testing a magnetic, 2-wire, CKP sensor. A. Resistance test, ohms test. 1. Disconnect the sensor connector. 2. Set multimeter to ohms, ohms. 3. Touch meter leads to the 2 sensor pins. Normal reading. A. Typically 200 to 2000 ohms. B. Some vehicles may vary slightly. Bad sensor signs. A. Infinite, OL, coil open. B. 0 or very low ohms shorted coil. C. Reading far outside normal range. B. AC voltage test, while cranking. 1. Set the multimeter to AC volts, ACV. 2. Connect leads to the 2 sensor pins. 3. Have someone crank the engine. Expected output. A. 0.2 to 2.0 VAC while cranking. B. Output increases with cranking speed. Bad sensor signs. A. No AC voltage. B. Very weak, below 0.1 VAC. 3. Testing a Hall effect, 3-wire, CKP sensor. Identify the wires. A. Power, 5V or 12V. B. Ground. C. Signal. A. Check power supply. 1. Turn ignition on. 2. Set multimeter to DC volts, DCV. 3. Place black lead to ground wire, red to power wire. Expected. A. 5V or 12V depending on the vehicle. B. If no power, the sensor won't work. B. Check ground. 1. Keep multimeter on DCV. 2. Red lead to battery positive, black to CKP ground wire. Expected. A. Around 12V. B. If no reading, ground is bad. C. Check signal wire. 1. Back probe the signal wire. 2. Set multimeter to DC volts. 3. Crank the engine. Expected signal. A. Voltage fluctuating between 0.3V, 1V, low signal. B. 0, 5V switching, digital signal. Depending on design. Bad sensor signs. A. No change in voltage. B. Constant 0V or 5V. Common symptoms of a bad CKP sensor. A. Engine cranks but won't start. B. Sudden stalling. C. Misfire at high RPM. D. No RPM reading on scan tool. E. Poor acceleration. F. Long crank time. Thanks for watching my video.